The main body of the cactus. Working into a chain. First, make a knot in this way. Insert a hook into the slip knot. Wrap the yarn around your fingers like this. In row 1, start with 16 chain stitches. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's a chain stitch. Such a V shape is formed on the side. Continue to work chain stitches. We need to finish 16 chain stitches in total. Sixteen V shapes stand for 16 chain stitches. The loop on the hook is not counted as one stitch. Sixteen chain stitches are done. Turn, skip the first chain stitch, and put one slip stitch in the left loop of the second chain stitch. This loop stitch does not serve as a connection. It is counted into the number of stitches. Mark the slip stitch. This is the first stitch of row 1. Then work 2 single crochets. Two single crochets are done. Then work 10 half double crochets. Yarn over the hook. Insert hook into the left loop of the next chain. Yarn over the hook and pull up a loop. There are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over the hook and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. That's 1 half double crochet.
Half double crochet. First, work 2 chain stitches. Turn over the fabric. We are going to work a half double crochet. Yarn around hook and insert hook into the stitch. Through the underneath of the way. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. There are 3 loops on the hook. Okay. yarn hook, and pull through all 3 loops. That's a half double crochet.
Continue to work 9 more half double crochets. Yarn over the hook. Insert hook into the left loops of the next chain. Yarn over the hook and put up a loop. There are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over the hook and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. The second half double crochet is done. Yarn over the hook. Insert hook into the left loops of the next chain. Yarn over the hook and put up a loop. There are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over the hook and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. The third half double crochet is done. Yarn over the hook. Insert hook into the left loops of the next chain. Yarn over the hook and put up a loop. There are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over the hook and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. The fourth half double crochet is done. Continue to work 6 more half double crochets in the same way. Ten half double crochets are done. Then work 2 single crochets. Row 1 is done. In row 2, start with 1 chain stitch. Turn the fabric. In this row, we will insert hook through belt loops only to finish the following stitches. Work 2 single crochets through belt loops only. This is the first stitch of row 2. Mark a single crochet. Work 1 more single crochet. Two single crochets are done. Then work 10 half double crochets. Three half double crochets are done. Please finish the rest 7 half double crochets by yourself. 10 half double crochets are done. Then work 2 single crochets. Remove the marker and put 1 slip stitch in the mark stitch. This is the last stitch of row 2. Mark the last stitch. Row 2 is done. In row 3, start with 1 chain stitch. Turn the fabric. In this row, we'll insert hook through back loops only to finish the following stitches. Remove the marker and put 1 slip stitch. Mark the slip stitch. This is the first stitch of row 3. Then work 2 single crochets. Two single crochets are done. Then work 10 half double crochets. Three half double crochets are done. Please finish the rest 7 half double crochets by yourself. Ten half double crochets are done. Then work 2 single crochets. Place the marker in the last stitch. Row 3 is done. Work rows 2 to 3 as a group and repeat them until row 13 is finished. Please finish rows 4 to 13 by yourself. Row 13 is done. We can count the rows to make sure that rows 1 to 13 are completed. Break yarn, leaving a long yarn tail. Yarn tail over the hook and pull the yarn tail out. Remove the marker. The main body of the cactus is completed.